What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Temu review video, and today I got another product in the mail that I actually got for free in Temu, and it is this unassuming thing, but it is a 25-piece precision screwdriver set. It seems like it's gonna be okay, but I thought it'd be bigger. I will put up a picture of it in the video so you can look at the picture I show of what the listing was. I guess it looks okay. It seems like it'll be good for traveling with, but I'm gonna compare the look of it to my fancy iFixit screwdriver kit I got. The quality is way better. This is tiny compared to the iFixit. Okay, it does do that, which is a good feature on screwdrivers. And then the iFixit screwdriver turns like butter, and it feels good. Let's check. Okay, let's grab a bit out of here. Comparing the bits. There, it focused. Focus in. Camera focus. Hello, camera, focus. Okay, this camera does not like focusing today. So, the Temu one is smaller and a little bit flimsier, but the iFixit one is very well made. But I think this was the shortest review I've made. I have a lot more stuff coming, and I have a spy pen, I have some earbuds coming, I have a smartwatch coming, and an MP3 player coming, which I will make a video on, Dank Pods style. So, I hope you guys like this, and this is, I don't know why I got it for free on Temu, but regularly this is like $2, and I'd say, yeah, get it if you need a small screwdriver set for $2. It is a useful tool to have. And thank you for watching this review. Go click either of the reviews that are on the screen, and hope you have a good day, and like and subscribe and turn on notifications for my next review. Goodbye.